Project management giants face off. Asana or Zoho Projects, which one really delivers? On the left, we have Asana, a favorite for teams who crave simplicity and power. And on the right, Zoho Projects, packed with features and flexibility for any workflow. We're testing them in the ways teams actually use these tools: collaboration, task management, integrations, pricing, and more. Let's skip the marketing hype and focus on what truly counts. Each round earns points, and by the end, you'll see who takes the crown. The final outcome might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, here's how we're going to do this. We're comparing these two on price, features, integrations, UX and design, reporting, and ecosystem. Picture it like a mind map. We'll hit each of these categories so you really get the full story before you pick. First up, price. So, Asana does have a free tier, which is sweet if your team is small. But, and this is a big but, if you want the cool advanced stuff, you're looking at premium plans that are actually pricier than a lot of the competition. Now, Zoho Projects, it's way more affordable. Their plans are clear-cut, you pay based on your users or projects. Plus, no weird surprises. Sure, some add-ons might bump up your bill, but overall, Zoho definitely takes this one if you're watching your budget. On to features. Asana's all about those intuitive, clean boards, timelines, and some really solid workflow automation, which, honestly, can be a game changer. But if you want built-in time tracking, or if your team's big on resource management, Asana falls a little flat, especially out of the box. Zoho Projects though, oh man, it's got a buffet of features: time tracking, resource allocation, Gantt charts, an issue tracker, even custom workflows. The trade-off? The interface is a bit less flashy and setup might make you scratch your head at first. Still, for sheer power, Zoho clinches this round in. Let's talk integrations. Here, Asana really shines. Seriously, it connects with just about everything. Slack, Google, Microsoft Teams, Zapier, you name it. There's even an open API for custom stuff, but just a heads up, some integrations hide behind paywalls. Zoho Projects, on the other hand, works great if you're already using Zoho's suite, plus essentials like Google or Microsoft. Outside that ecosystem, though, it's limited. So if you need broad integrations, Asana is definitely your friend. Oh, and here's something cool I came across. Did you know the original Asana logo used to have a little yoga pose? That was meant to show effortless coordination. Kinda makes sense when you think about their vibe. Just a little fun fact break before we finish up. Now for UX and design. Asana, super modern, fun colors, everything feels smooth right when you log in. The onboarding is dead simple, and their mobile app actually gets some love. Some power users might find it a little too minimal, but honestly, most teams won't mind. Zoho Projects lets you customize your board views, and it gives you both Gantt and Kanban options, which is nice, but the design itself is, let's just say you can tell it's been around a while. Plus, sometimes you get lost in the menus. Asana wins this hands down. Reporting is up next. If you like pretty dashboards and just need milestones, Asana's visuals are great. But if you want to dig deep with analytics or build custom reports, you're gonna need add-ons and more money. Zoho Projects absolutely blows it away here. Detailed time and resource reports, advanced analytics, custom reports you can tweak. It does take some setup, but for true reporting nerds, it's a dream come true. Point goes to Zoho. Last up, ecosystem. Asana gets along well with a ton of SaaS tools, which is great, but it doesn't give you those native options for CRM, invoicing, or HR. You're always plugging something else in. With Zoho Projects, it's like joining the Zoho family. CRM, invoice, mail, people, everything's bundled if you want. The catch? The best stuff really shines if you go all in on Zoho's other apps. Even so, for all-in-one business environments, Zoho easily wins here. So if you're visual like me, picture this radar chart. Zoho Projects spikes up on features, reporting, price, and the ecosystem, while Asana's ahead on integrations and user experience. It's almost like they each have their home turf where they totally dominate. So, what's the move? Here's how I see it. If you value smooth, easy collaboration and a clean interface, maybe your team just wants stuff to work without hassle, Asana is going to be your happy place. But if you're running bigger projects, care about serious reporting, and maybe want everything from your CRM to your invoices under one roof, Zoho Projects is just honestly a powerhouse, especially for the price. At the end of the day, Zoho nudges past Asana for anyone needing all those extra bells and whistles. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one. I'll catch you in the next deep dive.